Guys, nandito na naman tayo sa bagong episode natin ng Mussels with Pasta. Yesterday na kakuha kami ng mussels doon sa beach, and then nilinis ko, and then ito na yun, lulutuin na natin ngayon. Ang gagawin ko ngayon ay mag-prepare ako ng mga ingredients para sa ating mussels with pasta recipe. Okay. So now, ito po yung ating mussels, bache. So try mussels. And then, malinis na, already clean and ready to cook. But I have some ingredients and spices here. First, I have to show you my traditional lemongrass. So we always use this in the cooking of mussels. Okay, now let's prepare the ingredients. First, we have to prepare the garlic. We have to smash the garlic. Smash it, and then prepare, peel off the skin. So just make sure we have the complete ingredients for our mussels. So this is the main ingredients, the primary ingredients that we need for our cooking. Let's cut the onion, the garlic. Put all together in one bowl. Let's prepare the tomato cut in half. After we cut the tomato, we cut the chili. We already clean the seeds already out, and then we have to cut this by pieces. I like the mussels with a chili spicy taste. Okay guys, next we have to, the last one, we have to pound the lemongrass like this, then cut like this. It's up to you how you prepare the lemongrass, but I do like this, and then put it together with the chili. And let's prepare the mushroom, medium mushroom. This is my additional or optional ingredients that I need to put in the mussels. You have to separate each mushroom so they won't stick together. Another one. This. And then finish. Put like this. Separate it again. Okay guys, let's prepare the pasta. We need hot water. Put water inside the pot. And then put some oil. Put some salt. Let's put all the pasta all together inside. Let the pasta cook first, and then we proceed to cook the ingredients of mussels. So now the pasta is ready. We are going to cook the ingredients of mussels and drain this water first. Now we are going to cook the ingredients, mussels ingredients. We have to put some olive oil. Ayan. First we put the onion and garlic. Saute or gisa-gisa. Next, put the chili and lemongrass. Put the tomato. The last one is mushroom.
Social!
Mix and mix one more time. And then cover it. Let it cook the mushroom first, and then we cook the mussel after. Now the ingredients is cooked, ready to mix with the mussels. Set aside this first, and then put the pot and put the mussels. And then put all the ingredients inside. Mix all the way. And then cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. And put some rice wine, a little bit. That's it. Okay. And boil it, then cover. That's it. Now guys, the mussels are already cooked and ready to mix with the pasta. So I will show you how. This is how we cook the mussels with mushroom and pasta. Okay, it's part of it, and then mix it.
Yummy!
One more time. A little bit of juice or sauce.
Juice talaga?
Over here also. One more time.
Bilisan mo, gutom na ako.
It's really tastes good. I feel starving now, guys.
Really?
I want to eat more after this. Yun guys. Nakita niyo.
Sarap ng tahong ni Carla.
Creative ang aking mussels with pasta. We don't need rice for this. Now, ready to serve, and let's eat. That's all guys. I hope you enjoy my cooking show. Mussels with pasta and mushroom. And if you like this cooking show, please thumbs up or give me a bakas. Kung nagustuhan nyo, mag-iwan lang kayo ng bakas, and then I will return it for you or go back for your bakas, and then subscribe and then notification for another cooking show. And maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you guys.